Hello everyone, and welcome back to Speed English. Let me ask you something. Someone suddenly asks you a simple question in English. What did you do yesterday? You know the answer. You know the words. But before you speak, your brain starts asking, should I use the past tense? Is this sentence grammatically correct? Should I say I went or I have gone? And while you're thinking, the conversation moves on. If this sounds familiar, you're not bad at English. You're thinking too much about grammar. Grammar is important. But if you want to speak English naturally, you can't stop and analyze every sentence before you say it. Today, I'll show you how to use grammar without constantly thinking about grammar. Let's begin. The first thing you need to understand. There are two different ways of knowing grammar. You can know a grammar rule, or you can feel the correct sentence. For example, if I ask, yesterday, I to the store. You probably know the answer is, I went to the store. You didn't need to think about the entire past tense rule. You simply knew it. That's because you've seen and heard the pattern many times. That's the goal. You don't want grammar rules to disappear. You want them to become automatic. Stop trying to build every sentence from a grammar rule. Imagine you want to say, I went to work yesterday. If you start thinking, yesterday means past tense. Go is an irregular verb. The past form is went. Then you build the sentence step by step. That's slow. Instead, learn the sentence as a natural pattern. I went to work yesterday. Then change it. I went to the gym yesterday. I went to the store yesterday. I went to my friend's house yesterday. You're practicing a pattern, and your brain starts recognizing how English works naturally. Use sentence patterns. This is one of the fastest ways to speak with less hesitation. For example, I'm used to... Don't just memorize the grammar rule. Practice. I'm used to waking up early. I'm used to working at night. I'm used to speaking English. Or, I've never been to London. I've never tried sushi. I've never seen that movie. The more examples you practice, the easier it becomes to create new sentences. Eventually, you stop thinking about the grammar. You simply use the pattern. Here's another important rule. Speak first. Correct yourself later. When you're practicing speaking, don't interrupt yourself every 2 seconds. If you say, yesterday I go to the store, don't stop immediately. Finish your thought. Yesterday I go to the store and I bought some food. Then later, correct it. Yesterday I went to the store. This keeps your speaking flow alive, because fluency and accuracy are two different skills. First, build the ability to communicate. Then, improve the accuracy. Use simple English. Another reason people think too much about grammar is that they try to say complicated things. You don't need complicated sentences to sound fluent. Instead of, due to the fact that I was extremely tired, I decided not to attend. Just say, I was really tired, so I didn't go. Simple English is powerful English. If a simple sentence comes to your mind quickly, use it. Fluency is not about making every sentence impressive. It's about communicating your idea smoothly. Here's a powerful daily exercise. Choose one simple grammar pattern every day. For example, I used to... Then create 10 sentences. I used to play football. I used to live in Colombo. I used to wake up late. I used to watch TV every night. Don't study the rule for 20 minutes. Just use the pattern. Say the sentences out loud. Then change them. Make them about your own life. After several days, your brain starts recognizing the pattern automatically. And that's exactly what we want. And here's something you should stop doing. Stop translating perfect sentences from your native language. If you first create a complicated sentence in your own language, and then try to convert every word into English, you're making speaking much harder. Instead, think about the idea, then express it using the English you already know. You don't need the perfect sentence. You need a sentence that communicates your meaning. That's real communication. So remember these 4 rules. 1. Learn patterns, not just grammar rules. 2. Practice speaking without stopping for every mistake. 3. Use simple English instead of complicated sentences. And 4. Practice the same patterns repeatedly until they become automatic. If you do this every day, something interesting will happen. You'll still know grammar, but you won't need to think about it all the time. Your brain will start choosing the correct patterns automatically. That's when speaking becomes easier. So here's your challenge. For the next 7 days, choose 1 English sentence pattern every morning. Create 10 sentences with it. Say them out loud. Then try using that pattern during a real conversation. Don't worry about being perfect. Focus on speaking. Because remember, fluent speakers don't stop to think about every grammar rule. They've practiced the pattern so many times that the grammar becomes automatic. You don't need to think less because you know less grammar. You need to think less because you've practiced more. If this video helped you, tell me in the comments. What's 1 English grammar rule you always think about when you speak? And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Speed English, and turn on the notification bell for more practical English lessons. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and I'll see you in the next video.